What's the meaning of betel? Betel. Betel.
Beetle. Beetle. Betel is a plant that is widely used in many parts of Asia for its stimulant effects. Its scientific name is Piper betel, and it is commonly known as the betel leaf. The plant is typically used to wrap around areca nut and other ingredients such as tobacco or spices to create a chewing mixture called pan. Betel has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its purported antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. However, excessive betel consumption has been associated with various health risks, including oral cancer, addiction, and cardiovascular disease. Today, betel is still traditionally used in many cultural and religious practices and is widely available in markets and shops across Asia.